Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Now guys, if you guys have a Ford 3.5 or 3.7 engine on an F-150, Ford F-150, and you're trying to locate your oil pump, stay with us guys and we'll actually discuss and show you where the pump is located and what needs to be done. We'll explain to replace it. Now, we do not have F-150 at the shop, we have Ford Edge, but basically the same engines been, pretty much the same engines been used in F-150 with some minor differences. Okay, but the oil pump will be the same location. Now, every vehicle we get at the shop will have at least 200 videos made, guys, and our goal is to save you as much money as we can and to save you as much headache as we can. That's why we're making this video. If you're trying to see where the pump is, you don't have to worry, and you can just see the video quick and know what to do. So let's start on it now. So this is the pump, guys, and that pump usually you have to take your engine apart quite a bit. Okay, why you have to do that? Because you have to remove upper intake, valve covers and the timing cover so you can get to the pump. Now on some 3.5 3.7 the water pump is exterior water pump, on some it's chain driven, so it really depends on which model you have. But if it's the one that is actually exterior pump, okay, water pump, don't worry about it, it won't be here. But then you have the crankshaft and you need to remove that timing cover, you need to remove the timing chain, because that pump just slides on top of the crankshaft with only a few bolts. Now let me show you where it is. To the side right here, okay, you'll be able to see with the timing cover removed, this is your crankshaft and the pump just attaches with 3 bolts. There is 2 flat spots on the crankshaft, that's where the pump lays. Okay, so by getting it locked in that flat spot, when the crankshaft turns, it's going to turn the pump. Now, you have to do quite a bit of disassembly, guys. We'll have a video from start to finish, but it takes a long time. The video is probably over two hours long, so you can check it out. It will be on the channel on a 3.5 how to do it. Everything step by step from start to finish. But if you're trying to see your pump, yes, you can replace it. It's doable. It's not too bad, but be prepared to have the engine apart for a day or two. So hopefully, guys, quick video that will help you locate the pump. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.